What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 of Daytona Bike Week, and we've got the whole crew here that just arrived from Michigan. So we got my buddy Zach and his family here. We got my buddy Donnie and his family here. We got Brian. We got a bunch of badass bikes here today, and we're getting ready to hit the road and see what's in store for day 2 of Bike Week. So we just pulled up here at the Speedway. Today is actually Supercross tonight, Monster Energy Supercross, so we're gonna go watch that. But we're at the Speedway right now. You have all the vendors here. You got Slingshot over here, you got BMW over here, Suzuki down there, a bunch of different vendors out here. You got the Road Glide here, we got all our people here. And yeah, we're getting ready to go check out the scenery, see what's all here, and then we'll go inside and watch Supercross tonight. But yeah, out here at Daytona International Speedway. Beautiful day. It's literally 90 degrees out here today, guys. It's so hot to ride. Like, I wish I would have wore shorts today. I hate riding the Harley in shorts, but I definitely needed to wear them today because it is so hot, especially when you're stuck in all this traffic. Traffic down here is insane. But yeah, we got my dad's Road Glide here. We got Eric's Street Glide over here. We got Mitch's Road Glide freshly painted over here in pearl white. Did a good job on this one. He's got the Saddleman step-up seat with the red stitching. He's got the Rubafini foot pegs and footboards and hand controls on this bike. Super clean Road Glide. We got Donnie's new Road Glide over here. This is the one we put the SNS 132 kit in. It's doing great down here. He's got the T-bar set up as well from thrashing. But yeah, brand new bike. It's got 30 miles on it. He's loving it. Beautiful weather down here in Daytona. We got my mom's Road Glide over here. Love that blue in the sun. But yeah, let's go see what else is here. Alright guys, check out these Fury custom built bikes. They always build some badass baggers. Love this Road King. They had this down here last year as well. so check out Harley's new 135 crate motor. This is it right here. As you guys know, all the Harley stuff's cool because you can keep your bike under warranty, but they just don't perform like the aftermarket stuff does. But yeah, here's the new 135 V-twin M8 from Harley. Then we have Harley taking over the whole left side of the parking lot here. Look at the rain clouds rolling in. It might get a little wet down here, but anyway, super fun packed day here at the Speedway. We got the V-twin Visionary guys over here. They just had the Performance Bagger show. And yeah, getting ready to head inside for Supercross.
Lots of fans at this man as well on the Monster Energy Kawasaki, Jason Anderson. Kind of tough for me to get Supercross.